Hi you guys! Today I'm going to show you how to go live on Facebook on an iPhone and on the Facebook website. So have your phone on hand so you can follow along, and let's jump right in. So to start off, I'm going to show you how to do this on the iPhone. You're going to launch your Facebook app, and right away you're going to click on what's on your mind at the top as though you're going to create a status. Only you're not going to do that. You're going to scroll through these options at the bottom here, and you'll find that live video option. So you'll click on that. It's going to ask you to allow access to your camera, allow access here, and it's going to bring you to the Facebook settings, and you'll turn on the camera option. You're going to reopen that Facebook page, go back in to live video. Now that I've allowed access to my camera, it's going to ask to access my microphone. I'll click OK. Okay, now that I'm here, there's a few options before I go live. I can add effects to my video. So when I click that little wand in the top left, I can go through and add different effects that will stay on throughout the live unless I turn it off. Then down in the bottom left, I can invite guests to join my live. So if there's specific people that I'm planning to go live with, or that the live is for, I can go in and just manually invite them all. When I click on them, I'll click done. You have the option to raise money in your live. So if you go to the bottom left, that second button there with the heart, you have all of these different organizations to choose from to raise money for. You've got fundraisers that you can create or click on. If you're finding this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. This helps the channel to grow and for us to reach a larger audience. Thank you so much, and let's get back to the video. And if you're an influencer, or if you are somebody who's doing a live for a specific reason, answering questions, whatnot, you can go into the poll and you can ask your audience a question. They can vote for an answer. And if you go into the bottom right, click on that option, it's going to bring up all of these options all together. So you have your voice enhancements. You can edit, you can reduce your background noise and enhance your voice depending on where you are. Once you're ready to go live, you'll simply click go live. And another way to edit your description of your live is to go to next to the go live and hit that button there. It's going to bring up all of the live event details. So you'll have an event name, the start date and time. You can choose the privacy, so who gets to see this live, and a description. And then once you're done all of that, you can create this event. There we go. Then you'll click go live and you will be live on Facebook. Now let's jump over to the Facebook website, and I'm going to show you guys how to do the exact same thing over there. Okay, now that we're on the computer, you're going to have your Facebook open and logged in. And once you're on this front page here, you're going to be presented with that same option right away. You'll have that live video option right underneath your status option. You're going to click on that live video. So once you're brought here, you're going to be presented with the same options as before, but it's going to look a little different here. So just as before, you can go live immediately, or you can create a live video event. That basically just means you'll have a post telling people that you're going to go live at a certain date and time, and people can RSVP to your event. You and the viewers will get a reminder before you go live. For this example, I'm going to pretend I'm going live right now. We'll click go live. So when you hit go live, it's not immediately going to go live. You're going to be presented with these same options. You can edit everything from your selected media source for your camera and microphone. You can do screen share. So you can add a title to your live stream, a description to your live stream. If you click on dashboard, it's going to bring up all of these options in a smaller window. So you can create a poll here with a question and the options for answers. You can see all of the insights on your live stream. So how many viewers, comments, reactions. And you'll see down here, you'll have 8 hours of live video maximum. So after that 8 hours, your live stream is going to automatically end. You'll have to start it again. You can also share the link of your live stream. It creates that link for you at the bottom here. All you have to do is copy that link. And when you send it to somebody, it's going to open them up immediately to that live stream as it's going. And then you can also go into friends, and you can modify who gets to see this live stream just as before. So you can customize who you want to see it. Alrighty, and that is how you go live on the Facebook website. Alrighty, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful and that you can use this information and pass it on to somebody else who needs it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.